Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, why is my hair thinning so much faster now that I'm over 50? Maybe you've noticed more hair in your brush, on your pillow, or even in the shower drain. If you're like millions of men and women, you might feel frustrated, confused, or even a little betrayed by your own body. You try to eat healthy, you stay active, and you do your best to take care of yourself, so why does your hair keep falling out? Here's the truth: most of what you've heard about hair loss and aging is either incomplete or just plain wrong. The beauty industry wants you to believe that the answer is always in a bottle or a jar. But what if I told you that the real secret to stopping hair loss and growing thick, healthy hair could be as simple as what you put on your plate, specifically one powerful nut you can eat every day? Today we're going to bust some myths, challenge the mainstream advice, and give you a clear, science-backed plan to stop hair loss and regrow thicker hair, starting with a single nut you can add to your routine right now. If you're tired of feeling confused about what really works for your hair, or you want a natural, easy-to-follow solution, you're in the right place. Let's start by tackling one of the biggest myths about hair loss and nutrition: the hair loss myth. Why most advice misses the mark. For years we've been told that hair loss is just a normal part of getting older. It's all in your genes, they say, or it's just hormones. But here's the truth: while genetics and hormones do play a role, your daily food choices can have a huge impact on the health of your hair, especially after 50. Here's the myth: there's nothing you can do about hair loss after a certain age. But the reality is your hair is made of living cells that need a steady supply of nutrients to grow, repair, and stay strong. And as you age, your body becomes less efficient at absorbing those nutrients, making it even more important to get the right foods on your plate. Hair loss isn't just about age or genetics. What you eat matters a lot. The science: how food reactivates hair growth. Let's break down the science in plain English. Your hair is made of a tough protein called keratin, and it needs a steady supply of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals to grow strong and healthy. After 50, your body's ability to absorb and use these nutrients declines. That means your diet is your first and best line of defense against hair thinning. Think of your hair like a garden. If you don't water it and feed it the right nutrients, the plants start to wilt. The same goes for your hair follicles. A nutrient-rich diet can wake up your hair and set the stage for growth all day long. Food is the foundation for healthy hair. Don't underestimate its power. The #1 nut to stop hair loss and grow thick hair: walnuts. Now, let's get to the heart of today's video, the one nut you should add to your routine to stop hair loss and grow thick hair fast: walnuts. Why walnuts? Walnuts are a powerhouse of hair-boosting nutrients. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, biotin, vitamin E, zinc, and selenium, all of which are essential for hair growth and strength. Walnuts also contain B vitamins and antioxidants that help protect your hair follicles from damage and support new growth. But here's the real secret: walnuts are one of the best natural sources of biotin, a B vitamin that's crucial for keratin production. Biotin deficiency is a common cause of hair thinning, especially in older adults. By adding walnuts to your daily routine, you're giving your hair the building blocks it needs to grow thicker, stronger, and faster. Eat a small handful, about 1 ounce of walnuts every day. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or enjoy as a snack. Walnuts are a simple, affordable, and delicious way to nourish your hair from the inside out. The science: how walnuts support hair growth. Let's break down why walnuts are so powerful for your hair. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, support scalp health, and keep hair follicles hydrated. Biotin, essential for keratin production and helps prevent hair thinning and breakage. Vitamin E, protects hair from oxidative stress and supports a healthy scalp. Zinc and selenium, support hair tissue growth and repair, and help keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly. B vitamins, help your body turn food into energy, supporting fast-growing hair cells. If you're new to walnuts, start with a few pieces and increase as your body adjusts. Try them chopped on cereal, blended into smoothies, or as a topping for roasted veggies. Walnuts deliver a unique combination of nutrients that target the root causes of hair loss after 50. The Do This Not That hair food guide for seniors. Let's make things even simpler with a quick do this not that list for your daily meals. Do this, add walnuts to your meals every day. Pair walnuts with leafy greens, berries and healthy fats for extra hair support. Drink plenty of water to help your body use nutrients efficiently. Rotate your nuts and seeds for variety and balance. Not that don't rely on sugary snacks, pastries or processed foods. Don't skip breakfast or eat only light snacks. Don't ignore digestive issues. Try softer nuts or nut butters if needed. The right food routine can transform your hair, energy and confidence at any age. The best ways to add walnuts to your daily routine. Now that you know why walnuts are so powerful, let's talk about how to make them a delicious, regular part of your meals without getting bored or overwhelmed. Breakfast, sprinkle chopped walnuts on your oatmeal, Greek yogurt or smoothie bowl for a crunchy, hair-boosting start to your day. Lunch, add walnuts to salads with leafy greens, berries, and a drizzle of olive oil for a nutrient-packed meal. Snacks, keep a small container of walnuts in your bag or at your desk for a quick, satisfying snack that supports hair growth. Dinner, toss walnuts into roasted vegetable dishes, grain bowls, or even blend into a creamy walnut pesto for pasta. Dessert, mix walnuts with a few dark chocolate chips or dried fruit for a healthy, hair-friendly treat. Buy walnuts in small batches and store them in the fridge or freezer to keep them fresh and prevent them from going rancid. Walnuts are versatile and can fit into any meal, any time of day. The science: why walnuts are easier to digest than other nuts. As we age, our stomach acid and digestive enzymes decrease, making it harder to break down and absorb nutrients from some foods. Walnuts are unique because they're softer than many other nuts, making them easier to chew and digest even for those with dental issues. They're high in healthy fats, which help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like E and A, both crucial for hair and scalp health. They're rarely allergenic. Walnuts are less likely to cause digestive upset compared to some other nuts. If you have trouble chewing, try walnut butter or blend walnuts into smoothies for a creamy texture and easy absorption. Walnuts are gentle on your gut and perfect for seniors with digestive challenges. Walnuts versus other hair superfoods, a clear winner for seniors. Let's compare walnuts to other popular hair foods. Almonds, great for vitamin E but lower in omega-3s and biotin than walnuts. Pumpkin seeds, high in zinc but not as rich in omega-3s or biotin. Eggs, good protein and biotin, but some people have cholesterol concerns or allergies. Fish, excellent for omega-3s but not always easy to eat daily or for those with dietary restrictions. Walnuts, high in omega-3s, biotin, vitamin E, zinc and selenium, easy to digest and eat daily, plant-based and heart-healthy, rarely causes allergies or gut issues. Actionable tip: if you're already eating other nuts or seeds, try swapping in walnuts for a week and notice how your hair and energy feel. Walnuts are the most senior-friendly nut for hair growth and whole body health. The forgotten benefits: walnuts for heart, brain and immune health. Walnuts aren't just about hair, they support your whole body. Heart: the omega-3s and antioxidants in walnuts help lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and support healthy arteries. Brain: walnuts are known as brain food for a reason. Their healthy fats and polyphenols support memory, mood, and cognitive function. Immune system: zinc, selenium, and vitamin E in walnuts help your body fight infections and recover from illness. Pair walnuts with vitamin C-rich foods like berries or bell peppers to boost nutrient absorption and support your immune system. Walnuts are a whole-body food for healthy aging. The do this not that walnut routine for seniors. Let's make things even simpler with a quick do this not that list for your daily walnut routine. Do this: eat a small handful, about 1 ounce of walnuts every day. Pair walnuts with fruits, veggies and whole grains for balanced nutrition. Store walnuts in the fridge or freezer for freshness. Drink plenty of water to help your body use the healthy fats and fiber. Not that don't rely on sugary nut mixes or candied walnuts. Don't skip protein at breakfast. Your hair needs it all day. Don't ignore digestive issues. Try walnut butter or blended walnuts if you have trouble chewing. Try a walnut challenge for 1 week. Add them to at least 1 meal a day and notice the difference in your hair, energy and strength. The right walnut routine can transform your hair energy and independence at any age. Common mistakes to avoid: walnut addition. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make mistakes that can sabotage your walnut routine. Here are a few to watch out for. Mistake hash 1. Using too little. A sprinkle isn't enough. Aim for a full ounce, about 12–14 walnut halves, daily for real benefits. Mistake hash 2. Buying flavored or salted walnuts. Stick to plain unsalted walnuts for the best nutrition. Mistake hash 3. Not storing them properly. Walnuts can go rancid. Keep them in the fridge or freezer. Mistake hash 4. Ignoring variety. Walnuts are great, but rotate with other nuts and seeds for a balanced diet. Buy walnuts in small batches and use them within a month for peak freshness. Avoiding common mistakes helps you get the most out of your walnut routine. Walnuts and hormones: why they matter for hair growth after 50. As we age, hormone changes, especially after menopause, can make hair thinning worse. Walnuts are a secret weapon for hormone balance because they provide omega-3s. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and support hormone production, which is crucial for hair growth. B vitamins: walnuts are rich in B6 and folate, which help your body process estrogen and other hormones that affect hair follicles. Zinc and selenium: these minerals support thyroid health, which is closely tied to hair growth and energy. Add walnuts to your breakfast or snack to help balance hormones and support your hair from the inside out. Walnuts are a natural, easy way to support hormone health and keep your hair growing strong. Walnuts and blood flow: feeding your hair follicles. Healthy hair needs a steady supply of blood, oxygen, and nutrients. Walnuts help boost blood flow to your scalp in several ways. L-arginine, an amino acid in walnuts that helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Vitamin E keeps blood vessels flexible and supports healthy blood flow to hair follicles. Magnesium helps prevent blood vessel constriction and supports overall circulation. Actionable tip: pair walnuts with a daily scalp massage to boost blood flow and deliver more nutrients to your hair roots. Walnuts help feed your hair follicles for thicker, faster growth. Walnuts and stress: protecting your hair from the inside out. Stress is a major cause of hair loss after 50. Walnuts help protect your hair from stress in several ways. Omega-3s and magnesium calm your nervous system and reduce the impact of stress hormones on your hair follicles. Antioxidants help your body recover from oxidative stress, which can damage hair cells. Protein supports the repair of hair damaged by stress or illness. Snack on walnuts during stressful times or add them to a calming evening tea for extra support. Walnuts are a stress shield for your hair and your whole body. The power of routine: how to make walnuts a lifelong habit. Knowing what to eat is one thing, making it a habit is another. Here's a simple step-by-step protocol to help you get the most out of your daily walnuts. Plan your snacks. Keep a small container of walnuts in your bag, car, or at your desk for easy access. Prep ahead. Chop walnuts and store in the fridge for quick toppings on yogurt, salads, or oatmeal. Rotate your nuts. Use walnuts alongside other nuts and seeds for variety and a broader range of nutrients. Pair with vitamin C. Add berries, citrus, or bell peppers to boost iron absorption and support your immune system. Track your progress. Notice changes in your hair, nails, and energy over a few weeks. Actionable tip: set a weekly reminder to try a new walnut recipe or add them to a meal you already love. Consistency is key. Small, steady changes add up to big results for your hair and health.